You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Paulie here, and I got a fast food pizza review for you all. And where is this from? Which fast food place is it? It's gonna be from Pizza Hut. I don't think I've been to Pizza Hut in about 20 years, maybe longer. What enticed me to go there? They got this new menu. It's crafted flats, some pizza flats. I was kind of intrigued by it, by the pictures that they have of it. In the end, I'm telling myself it's probably just another regular pizza, but it's shaped different. So that got me in the restaurant. So I walked in this restaurant, Pizza Hut here in Foley, and they just renovated this place. And when I walked in there, the dining room, they were doing a pizza buffet. They had a bunch of pizzas there. They even had a salad bar. They had some pastas and stuff like that too. So there was a good number, not a lot, but there were a good number, a handful of people inside the dining area eating this buffet. Now, I went up to the counter and I'm looking up. There is no menu. There is no menu board at all. That's a strike against them. Maybe it's because of the new renovation. I don't know. Maybe they're waiting on a new menu board. I didn't ask. I probably should have. Now, I said, hey, can I get that, what is it called? Pizza flats? Girl didn't know what I was talking about. So I got on the old phone and I showed her this. She said, oh, hold on, I can do that for you. What the heck? And I did ask for a menu, if they had a menu anywhere. And she said, here, take one of these. And I looked at this kind of thoroughly, and I did not find these pizza flats on this menu. So let me tell you a little bit about the new Pizza Hut Crafted Flats Pizza. Crafted Flats, which include flatbread style pies, marks Pizza Hut's largest global launch of a menu item and will be available in over 20 countries. Elliptically shaped pizzas that visually resemble flatbread pizzas and some single-serve fast casual pizzas. Come in a number of flavors: Nashville hot chicken, chicken bacon ranch, the ultimate, which is a little bit of everything, I think. They got a 3 cheese, and then they got a pepperoni duo. Guess which one I got? That's right, the pepperoni duo. Oh, and the price, $5.50. But let's take a look at the pizza. Here's the box. We'll just open it up, and we're gonna take a look. Now, I have to admit, it's been about 20 minutes since I brought it home. So if it looks a little dry, a little bit dry. Not real pretty, is it? But that is your pizza flats. They cut it up for you too. There's the bottom of one piece. There's the bottom. This is not big. Someone really hungry, this would be a personal pizza. So let's give it a try. The duo pepperoni. And why they call it duo? Because they got two different kind of pepperonis on there. Well, a small one and a big one. The small one bowls up. The big one, not so much. Let's try it. I don't know, they got something on there. Kind of looks like some kind of seasoning. It looked like pepper at first, but I don't know if it's pepper. It might be like oregano mixed with pepper. That kind of thing. Now for $5.50, not too bad. But in the end, you might as well just go down to Costco or Sam's Club and get one that's better and cheaper. On the Pauly Detmerd's pepperoni scale rating, I'll give this one a 1.75 pepperonis. Yeah, it did have a nice zestiness about it, and unlike that last review I did where there wasn't enough sauce, the sauce is adequate. Thank you for watching. I'm Pauly Detmerd. Till next time.